back to my channel. MissBT here, coming to you guys today with a quick clean with me video. But before we get started, I wanted to share something new with you. So, SCENTBIRD recently launched a new home fragrance line, and they were nice enough to reach out to me in regards to some candles. So, if you're not familiar with SCENTBIRD, SCENTBIRD is a perfume and cologne monthly subscription for $14.95 a month, and you're able to choose different fragrances and they send those to you monthly. You can cancel your subscription at any time, so it's super convenient for those of you who love like fragrances or even colognes. Well, hello. Hello, sir. In the fall, they recently launched their body care line, and now they have a new home fragrance line. Look. So they recently just launched 6 new candles, and so now you can add these little guys to your subscription. How exciting. So each month you can get a new fragrance. I will link or put the information right here or right here, somewhere right here. So that you can see them. But the one that I have today is the Rose and Prosecco, and you guys, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. These little guys are handcrafted here in the US, and they are also infused with essential oils. In addition to that, they're also cruelty free and paraben free. So for all my natural girls out there, SCENTBIRD has you covered. So I have a coupon code at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to pick up all of the rugs here in the bathroom. This video is not a deep clean video, so I will not be mopping today, but this is just kind of my cleaning routine at the end of the week. This is kind of what the bathroom ends up looking like after a full week of work, so I just like to start off our new week with a clean bathroom. So, typical of any women's restroom, there's hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and give the bathroom a good, nice sweeping. So I'm going to go ahead and use some Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. This is a new one that I really like because it kind of gets a little foamy. But then I'm just going in with my Method Daily Bathroom Cleaner. Again, this is not a deep clean video, so I'm just kind of going through and basically just making sure that everything is nice and clean. Okay, so now that I've kind of wiped down the toilet, I went ahead and put my little basket back, and yes, that is a squatty potty. So my mom actually got that for us from Bed Bath & Beyond, and so that was like 2 years ago, I guess now, when they like first came out, but y'all don't sleep on that. They come in handy. I know that's TMI, but hey, we all do it, right? So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out our little bathroom trash and replace it with a new bag. I like to reuse our grocery bags. So, yep, all about recycling. But I'm just going to take my little vacuum and vacuum up all that hair and stuff that I swept up a few minutes ago. So, onto the shower. Oh my god. Cleaning the shower is really hard, y'all. Oh, it's so hard. It's almost easier to clean the shower like while you're taking a shower so that you can just be in there. But I'm just using my Method Daily Shower. So typically what I would do to just make sure that everything is nice and clean, I just use this once a week, taking my rag and cleaning that. But then I go back in with some Windex since it is glass so that it can get nice and clear. Okay, so y'all don't judge me, okay? This is where I do my makeup every day for work, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything where it's supposed to go. I do have a drawer dedicated for my everyday makeup routine and all of that, so I'm just gonna put everything where it's supposed to be. You guys have heard of this Pure Castile soap, but I actually like to use it to clean my bathroom counter because I like the way that it actually cleans off all the makeup on my countertops. So I just go in with that to do a nice actual like wash of my countertops and get all the makeup off from the week, and then I go back in with my multi-purpose cleaner, which you'll see here in a few minutes. Well, I guess in a few seconds via editing time. And I go back in with that to make sure that it is all nice and disinfected. So I'm just gonna go in with my Windex to clean this huge mirror in the bathroom. I go back and forth between using Windex and the other glass cleaner that's in the can. So I don't know, I just always switch back and forth. Okay, so then I just went ahead and lightly sprayed some multi-purpose cleaner on the cabinets because they had, I don't know, fingerprints and toothpaste and random stuff on the front of the cabinet. So went ahead and cleaned that, and then just added some wood shine so that it could be nice and pretty. Let me know if you guys want to see how I put together my little cleaning caddy. These things come in handy, y'all. I actually got that caddy from IKEA, so let me know if you want to know how I put mine together. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put my rugs back down and go ahead and get to this tub. So we haven't used the tub in quite some time, so I just wanted to spray it down really quickly with the daily shower spray. My little minions over there just chilling. Okay, so we did a little shopping this weekend, and I picked up some things for the bathroom from Home Goods. So here I'm just unwrapping them, and I'm going to go ahead and get them ready to put in the master bathroom. We really wanted to unify, I guess, everything that was in there, and look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, y'all, like, it's so pretty, and it makes a huge difference being on our countertop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting it all together. So first things first is I have my makeup brushes, but then I also have Bear's toothpaste and toothbrush. So we share the same toothpaste, but it lives on his side of the sink. So I went ahead and got him one of those little cylinder things so that he could have it over there. And then I went ahead and put my makeup brushes in the other one. So these are just the makeup brushes that I use every single day to get dressed for work. I have a ton of makeup brushes elsewhere. So yeah, so this little thing fit perfectly. All the makeup brushes and my scissors and my little toothbrush with my edges all fit in here. So, and it looks so nice and neat, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Next up, I'm going to get all of our Q-tips, or at least a handful, and put it in the other little container that I picked up from Home Goods. This one actually has a little top on it, and it's perfect. So went ahead and just put a good amount of Q-tips, as you can see, in there so that they're easily accessible. And I'm just gonna put the others away down in the bottom drawer as extras. So perfect. I'm so happy with how this turned out. We literally spent like 30 minutes, maybe even 40 minutes, picking all of these items out. So I'm happy they turned out good. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming back to my channel. Thank you, SCENTBIRD, for partnering with me on this video. Coupon code, as promised, is BT25 for 25% off of your first fragrance at scentbird.com. I will link all of the information down in the bottom bar. But thank you guys so much for watching again, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!